Okay, so in the first video, we took a look at this malicious Chrome extension, supposedly impossible to manually remove, and we got out the first stage of the executing malware from this fake JavaScript file. And this was disguised as jQuery version 3.2.1. So we got this file, and we deobfuscated what we could. We're going to save this file as stage 0 deob. So now what we're looking to do is to get the data out of this image, and we're going to do that by reading it in using JavaScript, basically the same way this is doing it, except instead of creating a new function and executing it, we are going to just print it out because that's safe. So we're going to create a new thing. We're going to make it HTML. So we can get syntax. I'm going to save it real quick. That's going to be stage 0.html. Now all we need is some script tags. And we're going to take these 3 lines from here, and we're going to put them into our new file. Then I'm going to take care of these indentations. And now what we need is basically the file. So the way that the Chrome extension works is it uses an XML HTTP request to the local file. I don't think that works for file protocol if we wanted to try that ourselves. So we're going to need another way. Let's check out the CRX thing. So here's the file here. If we try to download it, it's going to be base 64. So if we copy the image address and paste it in, it's going to be this. So it's not an actual file hosted on the archive server. It's saved as raw text. But we can still work with that. We are going to delete this stuff and then call this data equals, and then tack on a semicolon. So now we have the data and we have the function that reads it. Now we just need to convert our base 64 data into a uint8 array. And in this Chrome extension, it was using an array buffer. So let's go to Chrome and Google base 64 to array buffer Stack Overflow. This looks good. Try this, we shall. We can get this, copy, and go to our HTML file, and then put this here. So now all we need to do is in here, we're going to call the function that we just pasted. So underscore base, and then we're going to call that using our data. And then once this decodes it, we're going to console.log stage1 substring. So let's open this up in Chrome. Here's our HTML file. Open with Google Chrome. Let's take a look at the console. And here we have the decoded JavaScript that was stored in the PNG file. So we're going to copy this into a new file. And we're going to save as stage1.javascript. And to make this pretty, we're going to copy it. We're going to find a JavaScript beautifier. Paste it in, and then it'll beautify it for us. Copy, and then create a new file, and then save. Stage 1, Butte. Oop. Let's rename that real quick. .js. Yeah, nope. So here we have the stage 1 payload. And then we'll continue analyzing this in the next video.